Hi, Chef Jay here. Today I'll be preparing vegetarian udon soup, a hearty and flavorful Japanese noodle soup. You will need 2 packs of udon noodles, 1/2 of scallion, a handful of spinach, 2 eggs. For the noodle soup, 3 1/4 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of kombu powder, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Step 1. Finely chop the scallion. Step 2. Boil the spinach, drain, and chop it into bite-sized pieces. Step 3. Boil eggs until cooked to your desired doneness, then cut them in half. Step 4. Add water, kombu powder, mirin, soy sauce, and salt in a large pot and bring it to a boil over medium heat. Step 5. While making the soup, add the udon noodles to a separate pot of boiling water and cook them for about 2 minutes. Drain using a strainer and quickly rinse under cold water to remove the extra starch. Serve the drained noodles in a bowl. Pour the soup and place the boiled egg, spinach, and scallion on top. I hope you enjoyed this comforting vegetarian udon soup. Also, sign up for my weekly newsletter and receive a free vegetarian recipe ebook. Go to chefjcooks.com/en/newsletter. Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.